Let's get started with a grounding meditation, placing your hands on your heart and breathing in to the count of 4 and exhale to the count of 6. Inhale to the count of 4. And exhale to the count of 6. Good. Inhale again to the count of 4. And exhale to the count of 6. Inhale to the count of 4. And exhale to the count of 6. Now placing your hands on your legs or wherever it's most comfortable. And let's settle in, keeping your eyes closed, finding a comfortable spot, and just noticing your breath without changing anything in this moment. And as you check in, you might notice thoughts, emotions, sensations, and let's just allow those to be as they are in this present moment. And whenever your mind takes you off into a story, into a narrative, coming back to your breath, maybe feeling it as the air moves in through your nose and out through your nose again. Or sensing the breath in your chest or belly. And the mind is designed to wander off several times. So just gently and compassionately coming back again to your breath. And you might even feel the seat beneath you as you breathe, as you relax. And with eyes closed, sensing the space, the air around you. Sensing breath, the seat beneath you, and the air and space all at once. And then when you're ready, opening your eyes, coming back, and moving mindfully through the rest of your day.